everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today I'm doing a collab with Claudia from Faith Through Arrows. We're going to be talking about homeschooling storage solutions. So be sure to check the description box to watch her video. It'll be linked there after you watch this video.
So here's a sweeping shot of the after. This is the day after I organized and had an opportunity to clean up because the night before when I was organizing, the house fell apart. I don't know about you guys, but when I organize one space, the rest of the world just comes tumbling down. But I know that once I'm done organizing, I'll be glad I did it and I'll be able to catch up with all the other areas eventually. And I'll have 5 minutes where, the house looks nice before we head back into reality and live our lives again. So here's the art cart that I got from IKEA a year or two ago. I think they sell them at Walmart and Target now as well. It's looking pretty sparse. I wanted to go ahead and organize everything that I already had before purchasing new stuff. I believe we're going to need some art stuff for our art program that we're really loving this year. It's been really fun. I will have a video linked in the description that talks about what art curriculum we're using. But yeah, I just wanted to organize and sort it first, and then we'll get a few things. I'm not a huge shopper, but I will be getting, like I said, some art supplies and some different things, and we go through that stuff, y'all. We go through it. So it's looking pretty minimal right now. We just got some stencils, some different types of paper, and some different writing utensils, especially colored pencils. Those are basically our favorite right now.
So if you're wondering how we use this space, basically we hang out on the couch for any type of reading, or if we're watching something on YouTube, I'll cast it to the TV. And then if we're doing something like spelling or math or grammar where we have to sit down and write, I try to do that at the table. Now, we might do it at the living room table if necessary. We like to do, drawing at the living room table. But I try to do things like math and spelling and grammar at the dining room table as much as possible. I just feel like for our headspace, it helps to be sitting and, straight up, not slouched over on a comfortable surface. And so that's generally what we use the different spaces for. And then I love my whiteboard. I use that all the time. I believe I got that from Target, but I will link a similar one in the description. If you've seen my previous Minimalist Homeschool room tour video, you might be wondering what happened to the map on the wall. It's a tan schemed world map, and I absolutely love it. It's currently in my daughter's room. I was thinking about putting shelves up here on this wall, and now I'm kind of thinking about just putting the map back on the wall. So just in case you were wondering where it is, I still absolutely love it. It's just in a different room. But I'm thinking about putting it back, especially since we're going to be focusing on the different countries of the world this year and next year. So I will link that map in the description if you are interested in a tan schemed world map that is awesome and huge and pretty inexpensive.
This is where we store all our core subjects such as math, spelling, grammar, and phonics. I bought this last year and I really love it still. So I already cleaned this out, but here's just a shot real quick.
I have been trying to figure out how I wanted to plan this year for a few weeks now, and I love having a planner. I got this one from Walmart for $10. I was thinking about getting a happy planner, and I saw this one on the Walmart pickup website, and I just thought it was really pretty. And so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go with the $10 planner. This is a teacher planner, so it goes from July to June. So today's actually the 1st of July. So how exciting is that, right? It's a new year. It actually has Monday and Tuesday here, but here's Wednesday. And so it's very simple. But I was just thinking, if I want to plan something, if I want to go somewhere, if we're going to the park, if I want to write dinner, whatever meal plan in this or whatever, I can use this for whatever I want it to be for. So this is kind of going to be the pretty mom planner one. And then this, I will show you what I did last year. And I did it in separate notebooks last year for the 2 kids that I had that were doing school last year. And then this year I have 3 kids. And so I decided instead of having 3 separate notebooks to write out what everybody's doing, I was going to write all 3 of them in one notebook this year. So we'll see how this goes. I used to do calendar pages if you've seen my previous videos from 2 years ago. And before that, I always just printed out a calendar page. I did the calendar pages the first year with my daughter, and then for first grade, I wrote it out this way, and I decided to keep going with this. So we have the month at the top, K, or you could write the kid's name or whatever. This will be my kindergartner, and then I have math, phonics, and simply K if you want to check out the video that I made that shows all his curriculum. I will link that. And then I have the date and the day of the week, and then I divide it at Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And so I can make sure I'm on track for the week. And then at the bottom here, I can write notes if I'm on track, if I need to review something, how many days left, blah, blah, blah. Towards the end of the year, I tend to use this section more. And so then for my next kid is in 2nd grade in July, and then I'll write her subjects here, and then the same deal, and then 6th grade, and then this is the unit that we're going to be doing in July in Mediterranean region, and then my son, and I can check off like something like art, we're only going to be doing twice a week, so I could just check off, and then I know I've done it twice, on whatever days we choose to do it. Handwriting, I can just check off that we did something for handwriting, and then these I'll write the pages that we do. So that's how we're going to be keeping track of what everybody's doing. But on the back page, here I can write different things, maybe books that we read, field trips we went on, activities, videos we watched, or whatever. I can just write that on here, and then I'll start again with kindergarten, 2nd grade, 6th grade, and then notes on the back, and just keep going that way through the year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description box to watch Claudia's video as well, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.